Hello, everybody, and welcome. The focus of our discussion today will be IBM FlashSystem AI and what it brings to the table into the current storage environment on the market. My name is Marko. I'm from Node Fusion. We've been working in the IT industry for about 20 years and intensely working with IBM storage systems for the past 15 years. We're a systems integrator, so our typical projects consist of sizing and designing IT environments, which includes servers, storage, networking, operating systems, hypervisors, and the rest of the environment. And we deliver these whether in the shape of direct delivery to end customers or in the way of infrastructure as a service. We also do development of modern business applications on demand and per customer request. And of course, the resale of hardware from reputable manufacturers such as IBM is one of the pillars of our business. What we will be discussing today, we will look into what's happening in the market currently, especially in the storage department, what the challenges are, and then we will introduce IBM's solution for these challenges in the shape of FlashSystem AI, and of course the FlashSystem line of products themselves for which this environment is designed. We'll also talk a bit about the hardware that sits behind these solutions. And in the end, we will discuss what the expected business outcomes of implementing these solutions would be in a typical business environment nowadays. We are definitely at a breaking point, I would say, in respect to what's happening in the industry. We have ransomware attacks going rampant all over the world. Data is being ransomed, deleted, destroyed, and this makes storage systems the primary target of such attacks. Of course, we also have the explosive data growth that all these storage systems have to deal with. So the capacity, the performance, and of course, the budgets that we have to fit everything into. Energy costs and sustainability, on the other hand, introduce limitations into what we can do and how we can design systems to satisfy all the business requirements. Complex systems, disparate systems of various interdependent technologies also make administrations of such environments very complicated and reduces response times in case of any detected incident. We also have the drastic storage price increases nowadays that we all feel in a very difficult way. But this is also something that dictates that we have to be efficient with our storage and do more with less. I would like you to take seconds to think about which of these challenges affects you most in your specific organization. This is the framing model that IBM is delivering. Resilience, automation, and performance. These are the key pillars of this concept. Cyber resilience is the most critical part, protecting your data and keeping it secure against any kind of attack from malicious parties, whether internal or external. Automation of storage functionalities, taking the burden off your system administrators and engineers. And of course, we need the performance of the systems themselves in order to be able to satisfy not just the workload requirements, but also these security and protection requirements that inevitably put an additional burden on a system, on storage systems. FlashSystem AI is IBM's solution in combination with the FlashSystem line itself to many of these challenges. So FlashSystem AI is an add-on the IBM FlashSystem environment, a containerized platform which connects to the FlashSystem units and enables communication between the administrators, the FlashSystem GUI, and the system itself. Four capabilities are critical in regards to FlashSystem AI. We have context-aware security, automating of compliance, and being able to be ready for audits at any point in time with minimal effort. Insights into day-to-day operations, so simplifying procedures such as LAN provisioning, mapping to various workloads, and of course, predicting performance or any other kind of issue with the system before they impact the operation of your IT environment. The FlashSystem AI comes in the form of a container. So it's a containerized application which can run on native container platforms. And this connects to the FlashSystem and the IBM Storage Insights Cloud and enables all these features. As for the hardware itself, we have the new FlashSystem lineup. 3 machines are currently available. We have the entry-level 5600, 1 unit machine, so very low footprint, but with still, even though it's an entry box, with loads of capacity and performance for its footprint. And we also have the 7600 as a mid-range option. It's a 2-unit machine with about double the capacity and the performance of the 5600. And we also have the high-end node, the 9600, with even more capacity and even more performance for the most demanding of your workloads. All these systems are running the storage virtualized software, IBM's famous SGC software stack that's been in development for over 20 years. It's proven, mature, secure, performant, and is still being developed very intensively today, being expanded with various new functionalities. A key component of all these systems is the next generation FlashCore module. So this is a significant improvement over the previous generation modules, which were available in older generation IBM systems. The old modules had hardware compression, but the new ones also have encryption and deduplication with no performance penalty. Where I must add that the duplication is currently scan only and will be fully enabled in an upcoming software release. We also have inline ransomware detection, same as in the previous generation FlashCore module, but with significantly better inference. So we have a detection of anomalies that happens much quicker than in the previous versions. Even better storage density, as expected, in line with what the industry is going towards. And also, of course, very important maximum security encryption that's currently available on the market, utilizing quantum-safe algorithms. This is the engine behind the resilience story. What can the IBM FlashSystem do for us? 3 most important things: detect anomalies, protect our data, and enable us to quickly restore for any kind of situation. The FlashCore module itself, on a hardware level, is the thing that detects any kind of malicious I/O and activity on the file system. Mutable copies, utilizing safeguarded copy technology in IBM systems, keep the data secure against tampering, and locked behind 2-person integrity checks, which is required in order to do any kind of modification on such copies. This system enables recovery within as little as 60 seconds from such safeguarded copy snapshots. What does this mean for you? All these components together bring significant efficiency improvements into your storage environments. Being able to utilize all these data reduction technologies enables you to reduce the costs of the storage systems themselves, and implementing these systems in existing environments with other storage vendor technologies in place can also be used to consolidate these systems behind a single pane of glass. Of course, performance is something that everybody requires, and these systems are more than capable of producing the performance levels that are necessary nowadays. Of course, the FlashSystem AI automation capabilities also bring great efficiency to your organization, reducing the load on your staff and enabling them to take care of some other needs in your organization. As for the efficiency of the systems themselves in respect to power use and cooling utilization, of course, the hardware footprint itself, IBM's flash systems are definitely best in class in those respects. So we have less than a watt per terabyte of power use, which is among the most energy efficient power density per terabyte in the industry. We also have a 5-to-1 data reduction enabled by the new deduplication technology, which will be enabled soon, which will also allow you to reduce the number of drives, the number of physical capacity that you have to procure, and also house in your data centers. Lower number of machines, lower number of rack units, less power, less cooling. These are all the benefits that are provided with the current generation flash systems. Of course, everything that we mentioned will enable you to better close towards your ESG goals and your sustainability targets, which is something that more and more organizations need to take into account these days. Where best to use flash system units as primary block storage, most definitely. Primary mission critical block storage systems is where the environments is where the flash system units excel with their performance and hardware level offloading of various capabilities. They are what brings consistency and stability to the performance of your entire IT environments, which depend on the storage subsystem. AI and analytics workloads are also a great fit for flash systems because of the high throughput and low latency that flash systems can provide, utilizing the most advanced NVMe over fabric protocols. Virtualized environments and containerized environments are also a great fit with built-in integration for VMware and also drivers available for integration with various containerized solutions, container solutions. One great benefit of the flash system line is the ability to consolidate the administrative overhead behind a single pane of glass, both in the case of using legacy or other vendor storage systems, and when using multiple flash systems of the later generations. In one case, storage virtualize enables you to virtualize the existing storage systems behind the newer generation flash systems, exposing all the functionalities that flash system brings on top of what the older systems can still deliver in regards to capacity and performance. And for the new units, the FlashSystem Grid technology enables a single point of administration for multiple FlashSystem units, simplifying administration and workload placement. Storage partitioning is also a very interesting functionality, which enables you to transfer complete sets of hosts, LANs, and the required mappings between one flash system and another. I believe that you will recognize at least one or two of these that could fit your organization. What would be the next steps? We can review our existing environment and check if there are any resilience gaps. That is something that we do for all our customers, and I invite you to contact us regarding this service. Of course, a follow-up to this would be sizing of the most appropriate flash system units to the workloads that you currently have and expect to add into your environment. Using these this real data from your systems enables us to project as best as possible how the new flash system has to be configured in order to match exactly what is required for you and your particular situation. We also provide the services of migration from old systems, storage systems to the new, and of course the implementation of the systems themselves. During all of this, we tune everything to your specific needs and requirements and fit the systems into your existing environments as best as possible. Of course, our managed services provide you with ongoing support and optimizations after the implementation is complete. We also have the ability to finance these kinds of projects utilizing IBM's global financing programs, which is a very important cornerstone of IBM projects, especially in these days where the prices have significantly gone up and budgets are stretched very thin. We invite you to book this assessment with us as soon as you wish and at the time that suits you best. If there are any questions, please put them into the question box, the Q&A box, and I will answer them as best I can. Okay, we have a question. The question is, how does IBM FlashSystem integrate into an existing storage environment? This will be utilizing the Spectrum virtualized technology, which all IBM systems, flash systems have built in. This technology allows us to connect the flash systems to their existing storage, from which we remap the existing data, LANs, through the IBM storage, and then expose this data back to the workload environment, so to the servers. And by doing this, we take advantage of all the functionalities that the flash system environment brings to the table. Unfortunately, since the old storage systems don't contain the FlashCore modules, which offer some of the greatest benefits of the IBM flash system environment, not all functionality can be provided in such a situation, but a lot of functions such as software-based compression, deduplication, replication, and many other features can be enabled across the board for existing legacy systems. So storage virtualized is key in such a scenario. Let's see if there are any other questions. No? Oh, There are no more questions. So please feel free to reach out to us whenever it suits you. We would be happy to assist you with any storage needs that you have, whether it's block storage, so a flash system-based solution, or any other type of storage solution, such as archival storage systems, file object, or similar. IBM has solutions for pretty much all of those kinds of scenarios in their portfolio, and we'll be happy to explore them together with you. Thank you very much for attending, and have a great rest of the day.